Good morning on this Wednesday, June 19th, and the chart we are starting off with today is the US dollar Japanese yen. As you recall, we put on a trade yesterday at a price of 95.24. And again, the reason behind this trade was simply the fact that we had two consecutive inside patterns. You see this inside the prior bar here. This is inside the prior bar. And so we bought the breakout up through this high right in here. Okay? So what I'm going to do now, the market ran up to what, 95.75, gave us about 51 pips. Right now it's traded about 95 even. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop, which was initially sitting at 94.05, right below this low. I'm going to move it up to below yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was 94.43. I'm just going to go to 94.40. 94.40. So I'm going to move my stop up to 94.40. So this trade I'm risking 84 pips. And if you recall, my first profit target is up here at 97. Let's see. Let's put this up here. 97.45. Which is right where my cursor is, right there. That's where my first profit objective is. So again, I'm risking 84 pips to make 221 pips. So that's what I'm looking for. We'll see what happens. So far today is an inside pattern so far. The high is lower than yesterday's high and the low is higher than yesterday's low. So what I would like to see is maybe some cooling off here and then another move up through these highs here. Alrighty, let's take a look at the ARMH stock trade. This isn't doing a whole lot actually. So I am, just to let everybody know, I will be out of town from June 24th to July 5th. So I'm going to be gone for a full 2 weeks. So this is my last week in the office until July 5th. Going on a big family vacation. So I will be out of town and I will be flat everything. I won't be holding anything while I'm gone. So I will close out all of these positions regardless because I don't want to watch the market. I'm going away to Hawaii, so I just don't want to be tied to the market at all. And that's how I typically do it. I just can't, just like any job or any other profession, you need to take a break. You need to detach yourself from it and clear the head, and so that's what I'm going to do. So again, this stock, if you recall, I went long this stock at $60, rather $40.60. $40.60. It's at $39.45. The market is held so far at the 200 exponential moving average. We moved up yesterday. Today is down. It just barely took out yesterday's low. I'm going to hold this throughout the day. We'll see. My catastrophe stop loss is going to be below yesterday's low at 38.40, 5 cents below it, or 10. Doesn't really matter what you use. If the market takes out yesterday's low, you don't want to be there anymore anyways. But I'll watch this carefully. I'll watch the intraday action, and if I see something occur here, let's just take a look at an intraday chart. Let's look at a 5-minute chart. All right, this is the 5-minute chart. Barely took out yesterday's low in here. I'll be watching this closely. The gap from, let's see, Monday's close. Monday's close was right here. Opened up yesterday right in here. Consolidated all yesterday. So I'll watch this closely. If the market reverses, let's just pretend the market reverses up and takes out yesterday's high. Okay. If the market takes out yesterday's high, I will then go ahead and move my stop up to below today's low. That's how I would play this one. All right, we're looking at TBT, right? TBT, interest rate ETF play. And again, still long this market. Let's see, from down at the 38.2 of this last upswing, right? So on that big drop on news last week, rallied up. And it's trading at 68.52 right now. Remember, I got in a little here on the break too. Okay, so again, average price though is still right down in here, and the overall market, as you know, is is pretty strong. I mean, you know, I don't think we're going to get a huge pullback, quite frankly, seeing how the market has pretty much supported here, bounced, came down. Now take a look. This low is higher than this low, and we've actually penetrated up through this last high here, right? And today is what, Wednesday the 19th? I believe there's an FOMC meeting this afternoon, so we'll see what happens. All right, hope that helps. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.